Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Camry transmission. Start by gathering jack stands, a transmission jack, socket set, and safety gloves before lifting the car. Park on level ground and chalk wheels to prevent rolling. Always disconnect the battery and drain transmission fluid into a pan. Wear eye protection and work with a friend to handle heavy components safely and keep parts organized for efficient reassembly. Prepare to remove the transmission by unbolting related components in a logical order. Support the engine with a jack or hoist to prevent sagging when mounts are removed. Remove the drive shaft or half shafts, then separate the torque converter from the flex plate by turning the engine slightly. Label and unplug electrical connectors and coolant lines. Slowly lower the transmission on a jack, watching clearances, then move it away for inspection or replacement. When installing the replacement transmission, check all mating surfaces and replace worn seals. Inspect the torque converter engagement by rotating and feeling for proper seating before full bolt up. Use alignment dowels and hand start several bolts to keep the unit straight, then torque in a crisscross pattern. Reconnect sensors and lines, reinstall mounts, and refill with manufacturer-recommended fluid. After lowering the car, perform a leak check and a careful road test to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.